So let's tell these guys to move over here.
Roger.
As you might remember from before, there's supposed to be some good, some patrols or something with decent long-range weapons just north of Drassen. So hoping, to see some.
There are grunts. Enemies present.
Ooh. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Oh god, I do not want this map. I do not want this map. What did I didn't. I'm just gonna do the skip thing. I don't want to fight in this kind of map at all. That's absolutely terrible.
I have confirmed opposition activity in the area.
Do they travel the same way? God. Now the question is, do I want to go to the right and get into the airfield, which probably will get them killed? Or do I want to travel away from Drassen? Or should I even go for the battle here? I mean, there's at least some buildings. If they are gonna gather around here, that's fine with me for a battle. I'll throw them down here, throw down the safe, and I'll... Gasket doesn't really come with a lot of equipment, does he? I'll just gather them around.
It's killing time.
On the roof, eh?
Dead guy.
Oh dear. Yeah, this might already be going quite bad. I didn't expect them to have set up camp like that. Thought they'd be just wandering around, you know? Yeah, I'm thinking of just screwing this because I'm not equipped for this. Load that. And let's leave the zone. Yeah, I'm traveling away, but hey.
There are grunts. Enemies.
Are they just
present
seriously
around here,
traveling the same way all the time? Can I just retreat them? Maybe they'll throw them off. Yeah, it's fine if you go sleep, dude.
sir? Like I'm all here now.
Fine, we managed to lose him, finally. Annoying guys though, seriously.
Wird gemacht.
Yeah, he's German.
Ready to move on.
Alright, she's healed up. I probably
over. I'm parked.
don't want to know how little of my hospital... Oh, actually my hospital's not used up that much. That's good stuff. Good stuff. I'll put Fox on training duty as well for the militia. I mean, I've already paid with Dimitri, so why not? And I may just want to be sure to already equip my weapon. How much is Ira? Wow, Ira's still got a lot left.
It pays to pay attention.
No, Fox gained a level of experience. That's worth saving. I basically want to get my... I want to get Eterna, Ira and Dimitri just ready, healed up, and then enter on the same area. Just have 2 groups of 3 enter that area to fight it out. That's what I'm gunning for. And leave Fox...
I'm finished here. Okay.
I'm all done.
Yeah, fine. Stop. Yeah, continue training, that's fine. Dimitri, go on duty, squad 2 on duty, squad 2, and myself on duty as squad 2, shockingly. So let's equip the weapon. Maybe I should... where's Dimitri? Thinking of just giving Dimitri his Desert Eagle, mainly. Thinking of dropping the knife. Yep. Because I'm pretty sure I bought a couple of clips for it, so it's gonna need the space. Okay, even more. And even more. The imagery is quite much overweight though. It's these toolkits, really. Yeah, 18 kilograms, it's not good. Can I give them to Fox or something? What's the smart thing to do? He should probably keep a medkit, just to be safe. I'll carry some extra ammo. Even though he can't use it himself, but... hell, this will do for now, I guess. I'll quick save. I'll tell squad 2 to travel to this square, and squad 1 with our newly recruited mercs to do the same thing. No, God. Don't click wrong like that, Eterno. Just learn to click. It's a pretty big square. I'm sure you can do it. Thank you. Now, hopefully they should arrive at the... Enemies have been detected in... Yeah, I know there's enemies. Coordinate a simultaneous arrival. Yeah, I would. Can it please be daylight, though?
Well, I didn't really find them, but I know they're in the neighborhood.
It's 6:44. It's going to be dark, isn't it? I suck at nighttime missions. Oh dear. Let's see, we'll throw him down there. Can go there, there. Yeah, 2 groups of 3. Actually, can I just add them to the... I want to have them all in the same squad just to make it easier to select them using the F buttons, because that's the main way I do it. There. Quick save that. And let's get everyone crouching once again. Ira, go pick up your weapon. Thank you. Okay, everyone's crouching, so let's see how this battle is going to play out. Hopefully not get someone killed again. Still not happy with that though.
What was that? Locked. The army. I knew we'd see them sooner or later.
That was surprisingly quick. Does that mean there's going to be an absolute fuckload of enemies now? I'll quick save. No, don't mess like that. Actually, she has the auto weapons trait, so... Yeah, nice one. I mean, I don't have to worry about...
Look here.
Oh, nice. That's an eagle ammo. Yeah, I basically don't have to worry about 9mm ammo, so you can pretty much go for burst attacks all the time now. That's pretty... Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I probably should have used it a lot more, to be honest. At least with, yeah, Ira and Monk, who had the auto weapon skill. As I explained earlier, it basically means they have better aim when using burst mode with automatic weapons. So it's pretty damn handy. Gasket. Yeah, let Larry sit there. Gasket is pretty poorly equipped, to be honest. But hey, the other guys are alright. Gasket is mainly gonna be my my mule, I think. Since he's the mechanics guy, so he can grab the 2 toolboxes and stuff.
Yo, I heard something.
You heard something, did you? Well, at least you're sitting in a pretty safe zone. Ira has more movement from the north. Oh dear. I have a feeling this is going to be a very tough battle, especially long. Since we only just started and there's so much movement already. And even an enemy. And it's a really long turn as well.
What's up?
Fine, we managed to survive that, so quick save.